Hello, my name is Calvin, Specification Manager for Ryno, and today here at London Build we have got the TerraSmart rail system, and what we're going to be displaying to you is how, as a complete integrated system, this can really bring your whole roof terrace to life. So first of all, what we've got here on the right hand side, we've got the lattice framework, so our top rail and our lower joist, which is going to be supporting the paving on top. Now, the big advantage of the rail system is the fact that it can really accommodate for any calibrated paving type in a range of different paving layouts and formats that you may need. Now, as we start to move round to the right hand side, so this is the TerraSmart contour planter, and this is sitting onto the top of our baseboard system. Now, the baseboard system is an aluminium baseboard, which is going to give us the ability to sit the planter onto the top of it. Now, what this is also doing is extending out from underneath the planter, supporting the small cut of the curved paver as we go around the edge. Now, as we move around the TerraSmart rail rig, we're going to start to see some of the workings that are actually going on inside of the planter itself. And as we come further round, then you've got the baseboard that is going to extend right through on top of the actual joist itself. This is then going to give us the ability to integrate the likes of a resin-bound gravel. We've got the stabilisation mesh, which is going on top of the baseboard, and then the resin-bound gravel is then sat straight onto the top of that. 20mm resin-bound gravel is going to give you that seamless finish across the likes of walkways, perfect for those curved applications across your roof terrace or podium design. Beyond that, you then get the integration beyond the straight boundary profile that we have shown here. We then have the TerraSmart artificial grass system that is also suitable for a shock layer to allow for play surfacing. And then we have our wet pour rubber, which is going to then give us that flexibility with the flexible boundary profile. And that then integrates with that 20mm shock layer, your stabilisation mesh, and then you've got your joist running through. Now, this can come in a range of different thicknesses depending on what that critical full height is going to be. But what you can start to see is we've got a consistent datum level right throughout this whole roof terrace. As we move further around, we've got a difference between what the profiles are working here. So we've got our wet pour rubber, which is integrating in just to a standard play surface. So we've got critical full height or critical safety surfacing, and then just a general soft play surface. As we come further round, we start to approach one of the biggest challenges that architects can often face, and that is the waterproofing penetrations and the thermal penetrations, thermal breaks on a roofing when it comes to the integration of the balustrade system. So what we've been doing here over the past years is actually working to develop a way to completely remove those waterproofing penetrations. Now, that comes in the way of the base link system. I'll pull this out here, and what we're going to see is the base link system is an insert that goes into the end of the TerraSmart rail system, and this is going to provide us a structural fixing that the TerraSmart linear track balustrade system can be then directly connected onto. This is going to fix into the base link and completely remove all of that waterproofing penetrations and thermal bridging challenges that architects and contractors are so often facing, simplifying both the detailing and the construction methods on site. Ryno also including that balustrade within that overall system, and it's designed to take up to a 1.5 kilonewton line load, so suitable for your commercial applications across all your roof terrace projects. So with all of these systems that we've seen here today, they're all certified to achieve a B-Roof T4 fire classification in accordance with EN 13501 Part 5, giving it that compliance to use onto all of your roof terrace projects.